Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a really easy mushroom stir fry using just these ingredients, and as always I've written the full blog post which I'll leave down below, which will have the full recipe and some ideas for adaptations too, so you can click through to have a read, pin, bookmark, save it for whenever you want to make this lovely stir fry, and make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment too. Let me know if you give this recipe a try. So we've got mushrooms. I've got these bigger portobello type mushrooms and smaller cup or button mushrooms. I'm going to use a bit of garlic, and I've got a few different oils and sauces here. I've got extra virgin olive oil, sesame oil, and some soy sauce, or you can use tamari, gluten-free soy sauce, but you could use soy sauce, tamari, whichever you like. And we're going to get started by chopping up our veggies and getting them cooking in a couple of tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I've started by chopping the bigger portobello mushrooms into slices. I've got the olive oil heating behind me in a pan, and once it's nice and hot we'll get these mushrooms started cooking and then chopping up the smaller ones. Frying pan's nice and hot. We've popped in the bigger mushrooms. I'm just going to let them saute for a minute or two while I chop up the rest of the mushrooms and the garlic, and then we'll get everything cooking together. Okay, all the mushrooms, garlics in the frying pan. I'm just going to keep cooking it until it's almost done, adding more olive oil along the way if it needs it, some salt, you can add pepper, any other seasoning, garlic, ginger, onion, anything else you like a bit more of. And yeah, just cook it until it's almost done to your liking, and then we'll add in the sesame oil and tamari. And the mushrooms are coming along nicely. I love how they're the smaller ones, bigger ones, different textures. And yeah, it's almost done to my liking that I'll add a bit of tamari and sesame oil. Okay, I've added on a tablespoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of sesame oil. You could add as much or as little as you want. Give it a good stir through, and then in a minute or so we'll take it off the heat. And it's done. It smells pretty incredible, and if you want you could make some zucchini noodles or cabbage noodles, serve it with whatever kind of low carb noodles if you want low carb noodles. If you're quite happy including carbs, you could make really any noodles that you like, or rice, to go with this lovely mushroom stir fry. But all I'm going to do to finish my stir fry off is top it with a handful of flaked almonds, just for some crunch and for some good healthy protein too. But that is the video for today for this lovely mushroom stir fry. As I mentioned before, the link will be down below to the blog post, which will have the full recipe and loads of adaptations so that you can make this lovely stir fry your own. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment too. Let me know if you give this recipe a try and how you enjoy it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!